Hello, my name is Millie and this is my little review of the Fujifilm XF10. It's a tiny little compact camera with an APS-C sensor. It's quite portable, it's pretty good for street photography. In this test I want to find out how good the autofocus works and how the Rode VMMICRO Microphone works with the adapter cable. I will show you how I put the microphone on top. Right now it's not really fixed, it just lays on top. But the microphone is so tiny that you could just use some Velcro and just place it there. Anyhow, this is about the autofocus and also the audio quality. Let me know how you like it. I will step to the side and back into frame, and we will have a look how long it takes to get in focus again. Let me step a little bit forward, and this is one arm length away from the camera. I don't know what happens if I move to the side, if it will be able to keep the focus or not. Depends on how much you move when you talk. I will step a little bit backwards, a few feet, and walk towards the camera. Well, I'm not sure if I like this camera or not. I mean, she's great for photos. She's pretty tiny, but anyhow, this is my little test. My name is Millie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for looking by.